Good afternoon, everyone. I'm meteorologist Catie McNeil. You've now clicked on the Weather Now link, and we're continuing to track hot and humid conditions across our area for the rest of the day today. Heat index values expected to reach up to 104 degrees as those temperatures start to climb, or continue to climb rather, as we head towards the heat of the day this afternoon. In the next 2 to 3 hours or so, this heat advisory will stay in place until 8 p.m. this evening. We also have another air quality alert in effect for all of South County. This includes Washington County, Newport County, and Southern and Southeastern Bristol County, Mass, as well, with unhealthy ozone levels. So a lot of people obviously flocking down to the beaches, but want to be mindful that that air quality is not the best throughout the day today. So want to potentially limit that time outdoors, especially if you have particular sensitivities to that air quality. As far as the actual temperatures, our heat wave, we did officially reach 91.4 degrees at the airport where we keep our records as of about a half an hour ago. It's 1 o'clock now. And with that, although we did officially make that heat wave mark here, we're still seeing temperatures potentially rising to around 94, 95 degrees at the airport by the heat of the day this afternoon. But we have officially reached that mark, with today being day 3 of that. Taking a look outside right now, plenty of sunshine across the area, but we're again continuing to see that heat and humidity moving its way through as we continue on throughout the afternoon hours today. Satellite and radar, really not a cloud in the sky at this point. A little bit hazy, especially down towards the coast, with that ozone being more at an unhealthy level. High pressure will stick around, but you can see some thunderstorm activity already starting to pop up out towards parts of the mid-Atlantic here in Pennsylvania. As a cold front approaches our area, we could see the chance for some isolated thunderstorms later on today. With that, your feel-like temperatures in the lower hundreds, as I mentioned. We'll start to see some relief, though, with any thunderstorms that do move through the area, with temperatures and those feel-like temperatures starting to moderate a bit as we head towards the evening and overnight, with a much cooler day ahead of us tomorrow on Thursday. It'll still be a bit humid, though. With that, we are in a level 1 marginal risk for severe weather this afternoon and evening. Any storms that we're tracking look to be more on the isolated side. If anything, non-severe but stronger storms are expected, with potential for gusty winds and some downpours, even some small hail, but not quite sure if we will actually reach severe levels with any of these storms. But that potential is there for the second half of the day, mainly after 4 o'clock. Looking ahead towards tomorrow, parts of our area already in a level 2 slight risk for excessive rainfall. We could see some flooding issues as the frontal system associated with the thunderstorms today kind of lags offshore, and the low pressure system associated with that is expected to generate potentially some heavy rainfall throughout our area, southern New England as a whole, throughout the next 24 hours as we head towards your Thursday. So as we continue on here, again, we're seeing that isolated thunderstorm activity briefly between around, let's say, 4 and 8 o'clock here. As we continue on through the overnight, we dry out a bit, briefly clearing out as that frontal system moves off to the southeast, but it kind of will linger around, kind of lagging and staying semi-stationary at that point. The low pressure system associated with that is going to then generate the potential for some shower activity throughout the day tomorrow, mainly second half of the day towards the overnight Thursday into Friday. You can see, as of right now, models suggesting that the bulk of this rainfall here is going to be centered off to our west, out towards parts of Connecticut. But we can't rule out the chance for some of that heavier rain to move through our area as well, especially in the afternoon, evening, and then overnight as well. Could even see some lingering showers into Friday morning. With that, for the rest of this afternoon, hot and humid, with that chance for a thunderstorm later on in the evening, mainly after 4 o'clock. We will start to dry out as we head towards the overnight, but clouds will begin to increase as we head towards your Thursday morning, with the chance for those on and off showers at times throughout the day tomorrow, some of which could be on the heavier side. So we are monitoring the potential for a flood risk tomorrow, although as of right now, models suggesting that a bulk of that very heavy widespread rain will be luckily off to our west. But of course, we'll be keeping a close eye on all of this for you guys, both on air and online at WPRI.com.